Welcome to this NPTEL course on Foundations of Cloud IoT Edge ML. I am Dr. Rajiv Mishra from IIT Patna. So let us get started about this particular course. Now if you see the overview, that is nothing but a wave of innovation which is started from the current state of the cloud and which is shown over here in this particular diagram. That current state of the cloud is highly centralized set of resources, resembles the client server mode of computing, and computing is going beyond the virtual machines, and now containers are becoming the mainstream. Storage is complemented by content delivery networks and often replicated and cached at edge locations. Network stack is programmable, that is software defined networking concepts are there. So therefore these waves of innovation which started with the cloud, which that is with has seen a globally available unlimited compute resources, often is going on a waves of innovation by supporting the IoT. So IoT as a software as a service platform is the key driver of public cloud. Now IoT provides harnessing signals from sensors and devices, and often IoT devices are managed by the cloud. These IoT applications, they realize that not everything need to be done at the cloud, thereby giving a birth to the edge computing. So why all this IoT require the support of the cloud is to compute the intelligence. Now if the intelligence is computed at the edge, thereby this new wave of innovation will drive this edge computing, and therefore this rise of AI and ML models are trained in the cloud and but are deployed in the edge, and therefore it will make new kind of applications called predictive analytics. So this breakthrough of intelligence capabilities in the cloud and is on the edge is rising this particular wave, and in this course we are going to deal with this new concept that is called the edge computing. So edge computing will make this cloud truly distributed, move the cloud services closer to the origin of the data, and the edge often mimics the public cloud capabilities, delivers storage, compute and network locally, reduces latency by avoiding the round trip time which incurs in the cloud, brings the data sovereignty by keeping the data where it actually belongs, saving on the cloud and bandwidth usage. Functionality of the edge is very similar to the cloud, which is expressed over here in this particular part of the course. Therefore NPTEL course is nothing but, this course is a specialization in edge computing, and this course provides in-depth understanding of edge computing principles with the use case of cloud IoT edge platforms. Now in this particular course of different edge computing fundamentals are covered, such as Docker containers, Kubernetes MQTT, Kafka time clock synchronization, key value stores at the edge. We will also cover various cloud IoT platforms which provide IoT edge services such as Microsoft Azure IoT Hub, Amazon AWS Greengrass for IoT Edge, etc. Recent advancements in the machine learning inferencing at the edge for different use cases such as predictive maintenance, image classifier, self-driving car for IoT applications such as Industry 4.0 will also be covered in this part of the course. If you see the course contents, the course content is divided to grasp the concepts of the cloud and its limitation to support new kind of low latency applications, thereby introducing the cloud computing to support IoT applications. Now introducing the IoT edge platforms such as being provided by different cloud providers such as Azure IoT Hub and AWS IoT. Then we will discuss the theoretical part, that is called architecture of cloud edge computing for resource allocation, task offloading, mathematical modeling, and the use of reinforcement learning for resource allocation strategy. Then we are going to introduce you the concepts of distributed system in IoT applications such as time ordering and clock synchronization, distributed snapshot. This will make a good fundamentals or background not only in the cloud computing, edge computing, IoT and distributed computing. Now besides this, we will also introduce the concepts of Docker container, Kubernetes, which is very much useful in the application development towards the edge computing, and also we will introduce you to the new protocols or concept called MQTT, Kafka to build an end-to-end IoT platform and different use cases of machine learning for IoT in predictive maintenance, image classifier, self-driving car are some of the use cases we are going to cover in this part of the course. So, there are several books which we will refer in this particular course as a material. So, thank you all and welcome to this new course. Thank you all. Thank you very much.